I am going to be doing a conversion later on, so I am just trying to stay as cheap as possible for right now. Gotta get that U-joint in that thingy dingy.
That's bad.
Also,
It's pretty bad.
yeah, it's bad.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another video. So today we are going to do the brakes on Kyler's truck. We're not doing the rotors, but we are going to do the brake pads. And then he still, if you didn't notice from our hunting videos, still doesn't have four-wheel drive. We have to get his front drive shaft back in. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that done today, so let's get to it.
All right, so if you guys remember from like 2 videos ago, I believe it was, we lost the brakes in the 12-valve. Turns out the pads are toasted. Got a new set of pads here today, and we're gonna throw them on. I just compressed the piston back into the caliper, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. So if you guys are ever doing brakes, make sure you got a C-clamp to compress that caliper. It's gonna make your life 10 times easier, go so much faster. Much worth it. 10 bucks. Buy one. As you can tell, a little worn out. Just a little.
Yeah, that's bad.
Also,
It's pretty bad.
yeah, it's bad.
So we are just replacing the pads today. We're not replacing the rotors, as you can tell.
I am going to be doing a conversion later on, so I am just trying to stay as cheap as possible for right now. What I'm going to do is, you can put 92 through 97 F250 and 350 steering knuckles and out on the 94 to 99 second gen Dodges. So I am going to do that conversion because it is a dual piston caliper. That'll be a nice little upgrade. And then someday I'll be able to get a Dana 80 disc rear, but that'll be a little hard to find and a little while till that'll happen.
Dually ox for my truck and trying to get a solid axle on my truck.
Alright, so I got the new pads on this side. I'm gonna put the tire back on, get the other side jacked up, take it off, and put the pads on that side. And what are you doing?
I want to go to sleep.
No, what are you gonna do to the truck?
Oh, he wants me to put his drive shaft back in because we still haven't done that. He still doesn't have four-wheel drive.
So that's what she's gonna do. Yeah. Alright, so I got the tire on, gonna torque it down real quick, and I don't know the actual torque spec, so I'm gonna just do 80 foot-pounds and hope that's good enough.
You could probably look it up.
No.
Spin, 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 spin.
Should've brought my drill.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this drive shaft back in. So I gotta go ahead and put the U-joint in the front yoke so that he has four-wheel drive again. So let's do it. Now the tire's out of here. That's how it's sitting right now.
Gotta get that U-joint in that thingy dingy.
Oh my. Don't you just love his little like ghetto rake here to keep his drive shaft in?
That works.
Yeah, it's about time that we fix this.
Yeah, I need 4-wheel drive.
So Kyler's going ahead and getting the caliper off.
That's them. Did you hear him?
No.
Like, oh, what a thumbnail.
I guess we could have laid all the parts out.
I just need to get a new pair of boots and that'd be fun.
Yeah, pry that caliper out. Or brake pad. I see it.
Not as bad.
Oh, yeah. That's not too bad. Well, he lost his brakes on the passenger side, and then just like 2 days ago, he started having problems on this side, so.
He had to leak out the other one.
Yeah, I know. All right, so we'll see how well this works. I don't even know.
Bitch, what the fuck?
He just pinched it off with some vice grips. You should have seen his ghetto-ness. He literally took a vice grip to pinch off the line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to do what works.
I know. He lost it. Of course, it fell off.
Oh, new one.
Yeah.
I saw. Oh, you didn't even take the drive shaft completely out.
Oh,
No.
it was for. I've taken it out like 3 times.
Yeah, I thought it was out until I just looked under there and I was like, oh, it's actually still strapped.
And after many years of elbow grease and failed techniques, the hard work paid off and the pad was removable. Now let's watch Kyler reassemble everything, cause why not?
So brake pads are done. Now we got to get the drive shaft in, but we actually do not have the right size bolts, so we got to run out and get some new ones, and then we can get this drive shaft back in. So let's go ahead and get this. So got the correct hardware this time. So now we're just gonna go ahead and install the U-joint into the front differential, and then we can go eat some sushi. Alright, so it doesn't want to slide in on its own, so we gotta hammer this damn thing in. So yeah, so let's just speed through this. Alright, the drive shaft's back in. The U-joint is now attached to the front differential. Woohoo! Alright, so Kyler got the brake pads put on, so we're all good to go there. We do have brakes now, everything is fine. We also got the front drive shaft reconnected to the front differential, so that's all good to go now. Finally, hopefully, we're gonna have some four-wheel drive here, since we haven't had four-wheel drive since literally this hunting video right here when it broke. But if you like this video, please go ahead and give us a like, because we would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, which I know 88% of you guys aren't subscribed, so why don't you go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button below the video and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out when we come out with new videos. But you guys that are subscribed and are liking and are commenting, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and God bless.